Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing you another simple recipe. This is super simple breakfast burritos. For this, we have ground sausage. You go ahead and use your favorite. I have I have 2 pounds of ground sausage here. Now with this recipe, you can multiply and divide very easy depending on how many people you're cooking for. We have some eggs, we have some tortillas, we got some wet garlic, we have some basil, some oregano, some parsley, and we have mozzarella cheese. But go ahead, use your favorite cheese. I have mozzarella on hand. You can use whatever cheese you'd like. Like I said, this is something super simple. You get up, make it. You make it for a bunch of people, make it for a few people, and it doesn't take much work. So, first things first, we're gonna get this sausage cooking. Alright, so we have our cast iron skillet on high. And so it's been pre-greased a little bit. Not much because there's fat in our sausage. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this browned up. Okay, so while our sausage is starting to cook, keep stirring that regularly. We're gonna do 6 to 8 eggs. Now we're gonna go ahead, get all our eggs whisked up. Then we're going to add a tablespoon to 2 of parsley. I do about 2 tablespoons. Then I'll do about a tablespoon of oregano. Then I'll do 2 tablespoons of basil. Then I got about 2 tablespoons of wet garlic. And we're just going to get that all well mixed up. Now we got that mixed up, we're going to take this back over to our sausage. Alright, also our sausage is cooked. We're just going to go ahead, dump our eggs in on top of this. Now we're just going to keep until we get all our eggs cooked up. I did 8 eggs. That's what I wound up doing. Like I said, that 6 to 8 egg territory is pretty good. Once our eggs cooked up, we're going to add in 2 cups of our cheese. Like I said, we're using a mozzarella. And we just want to get that mixed in. And once that's mixed in and somewhat melted, we're good to go. Turn this off to heat. Now if you want, you can put this in a tortilla, fold it up, put a few in a dish, throw some cheese on them, throw them in the oven, melt the cheese on top. Or you can do what we're going to do because we're just shooting for that super simple style. We're going to go ahead and move this to the side and let people come get it buffet style. I'll show you what I mean. So buffet style, we got a plate, we got our tortilla on it. We're just going to scoop however much filling we want. And now we can roll it up like a burrito, eat it. If you want, put a little more cheese on there. You know, however you want. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And if you have any ideas for future recipes, go ahead, let me know in the comments. And until next time, keep on cooking on.